Today finally I took off my braces. Haha. So I was thinking what should I eat for the first meal? And I'm gonna have Korean barbecue with soup, 된장찌개 and galbi. You know galbi? Short ribs, marinated short ribs. I'm gonna have that. I hope the restaurant is not too busy so I can film. I got the table at the corner. 감사합니다. 혹시 미셸 이모 아니에요?
맞아요.
저 이재인데요.
이제? 어머머머머. 나 옛날에.
네,
됐지?
맞아. 한 6년, 7년 됐을 것 같아요.
그래? 그때 기억하네?
네, 근데 이모 얼굴 더 좋아지셨어요. 살 많이 빠지신 것 같은데.
그래? 했어?
뺐어요? 응?
그래?
아이고, 너무 반가워요, 이모.
그러니까.
저 바로 주문할게요. 네, 갈비 물냉면 주세요. 네, 감사합니다. So I changed mind. I ordered galbi and 냉면, which is cold noodles. I just met an old coworker. I worked with her maybe just a couple months. This is the first meal after take off my braces. And now I don't wear retainer right now. It's really hard to talk with the retainer. I can't pronounce right. I think I will be used to it. So I got side dishes. Let me show you what I got. They have seven different side dishes. Kimchi, broccoli, tomato salad, fish cake, zucchini, gosari, I don't know in English, and bean sprout. It is only me. When I see this big zucchini, I don't really like it. I don't like the texture. How to say? 물컹물컹하다. And this is vinegar and mustard for cold noodles. Oh, there's apple as well. Interesting.
밥 조금 줄까?
저 조금만 주시겠어요?
밥 받고 내가 게장 먹어.
아 진짜요? 네, 감사합니다. Oh my goodness. She offered me a rice and 게장, marinated rocket. So here's galbi. Look at this. 와, 튀긴다. Excuse me in advance. I'm gonna use my hand. I'm gonna eat the meat first. It's pretty tender and it's really good because it's not that sweet. Most of restaurants make galbi very sweet, but this one is not that sweet. And you know this part, when I was younger in Korea, if we eat galbi, we make sure eat all the meat around the bone. Like this, there's not much meat, but this white part is very chewy and the texture is really good. And we didn't waste the food. But when I had braces, I couldn't eat it. 감사합니다. 너무 감사합니다. 잘 먹겠습니다. This is 게장 she got me. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna be super full. I didn't expect I would have 게장 here. Let's try. I'm so excited. It's so good. I don't know how to explain 게장's flavor. I mean, it's really good. If you have this, your rice is gonna go. I mean, you have to try it. Eating without braces is crazy, so good. Like nothing is stuck between my teeth and braces. Oh my god. I forgot this feeling for almost 3 years. 감사합니다. 너무 맛있어요. 감사합니다.
요거 조금 넣어서 먹어.
네네. 네. 아이고 반찬이 또 있어요.
이거 더 먹고 가.
감사합니다. 너무 많아요.
많아?
네. 감사합니다. 잘 먹겠습니다. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna share all foods. So originally, this is what I ordered: cold noodle, galbi, and it comes with the side dishes. and she gave me extra of this rice and gejang. It's so nice of her. I don't think I can finish it. Let me show you how to eat cold noodles. So there's two types. First one I ordered 물냉면 with the soup. And there's another one, bibimbapmen without soup, just mixed with this gochujang sauce. But I like 물냉면 better. So I just taste first, and then I prefer put some vinegars in and a little bit of mustard. Not too much, it's gonna be very spicy. So mix it and taste it again. This is the taste I know. And when I'm finished like half of it, I'm gonna add this sauce so I can taste differently. The vinegar was a little bit too much. And then piece of galbi. And cold noodle again. Wow, I have to drink it like that. So good. No frills on my teeth. It's so good. And then, if your teeth has no problem, try this part. It's really good. Why am I getting full? I had only couple sips, couple bites. But at least I'm gonna finish the gejang. Wow, 진짜. You know what funny thing is? Actually, I was gonna go to the Korean market to buy this, and I haven't today. So I'm gonna skip it tonight. Wow, this sauce is really good. It's pretty spicy though. With some rice. And I like this one, 시금치나물, spinach. Their food is good. Okay, one more galbi with naengmyeon. It's tender. Now I'm gonna add a little spicy sauce. Oh, I'm not lying. I'm getting full. 아이씨. Wow, 맛있다. This sauce is good. I think if I mix with rice, like bibimbap, it's really good. 와, 정말 맛있다. Actually, I'm really full. 어떡해? 진짜 어떡해? 먹지 못하겠어. I'm gonna finish 냉면. I don't want to waste it. There's other things I can take home, but this one no. 아니요, 저 배불러요.
배불러?
네, 배불러요. 감사합니다. She even offered me more side dishes, so I said I'm full. Okay, let's do a big bite. 맛있다. Actually good. And galbi with rice is good too. And kimchi. No more. I'm so full. Now wash my hands and let's sleep. I'm so full. I'm in food coma. Oh, and I think, and I was gonna cook something tonight, but since I have all the side dishes right here, I think I just need to make rice and eat rice with that. 아, 이모 너무 잘 먹었어요. 배 터질 것 같아요.
배 터질 것 같아.
많이 먹었어요. 감사합니다. Let's pack it up. Yeah, I paid, and she said don't write down tips. So I said no, I have to. She said like no, you don't have to. Don't put. So I said, Auntie, I'm working at the restaurant too. I have to. So I wrote down a number, and she said I'm not gonna put in the tips. So I was like, no, you should. 아이고. I feel a little weird. Like, is this like social interaction? I mean, like, in a good way. Anyways, let's go home. 밥이요? 집에서 하면 돼요. 네, 하면 돼요.
이거 기자 전에 이렇게 해서 먹어.
네네, 그러려고요. I'm ready to go home. To be honest, I don't feel like going to the Korean market. Maybe I just want to go back home, have a coffee, and clean up house a little bit, and then start to editing this video. 감사합니다.
어디서 할 거야?
She even gave me a bowl of rice and more kimchi. 아니요, 괜찮아. Okay, let me go home.